Most developers who try TDD think they're doing it right. They're not. The number one mistake is writing code first, then tests. TDD stands for test-driven development. The tests are supposed to drive the code, not the other way around. When you write tests after the fact, you're just confirming what the code already does. You lose all the design benefits. The test must come first. The second mistake is trying to do too much at once. TDD works in tiny cycles. Red, green, refactor. Write one small failing test. That's red. Write just enough code to pass it. That's green. Then clean up the design. That's refactor. Beginners write a dozen tests before writing any code, breaking the rhythm entirely. Even developers who nail red and green often stop there, skipping the refactor step. Once tests pass, they move on. But refactoring is when you clean up the code. Remove duplication, improve naming, simplify logic. It is not optional. Finally, beginners often test how code works internally, not what it does externally. If your test breaks every time you rename a private method, you're testing implementation details. Instead, test behavior, the inputs and expected outputs. That way, tests survive refactoring. TDD only works if tests come first, steps stay small, you refactor every cycle, and you test behavior, not implementation. Try the next question. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.